Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off emoji on Discord mobile. First guys, you need to get up from your Discord on your mobile. You need to go on your browser and type here for Discord. Go for Discord here and go on the three dots on your right upper side and go for desktop site. Then you need to scroll down and here you need to zoom in and gonna go with the blue line section, open Discord. Here you'll need to go and log in if you are not. As you can see right now I'm logging into my Discord. Downside with a setting button, click on it. Here guys, when you go up right now, here you have an option at app settings for text images. Go click on that selection, just zoom out, and as you can see on the emoji settings you have show emoji reaction on message, but also you have automatically convert emojis in your images to emojis. Firstly, you need to go and show emoji reactions on messages to turn off this selection, and now guys, with this we have done it. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day guys, see you soon.